Hey guys, me Misha, everything I said not financial advice, my personal opinion. So why am I not in the center? Why am I not in the center of the things? Oh, interesting. This is not feels like center to me. But anyways, um, let's take a look at the market. Maybe this is a little too much. Zoop. Yeah, Misha, be modest. Be modest. Don't take over. Yeah, this is better. Um, let's take a look at the markets in day and hour. Uh, wait, what was I looking for here? Needs to break, don't I? KHC continues to go down. Doesn't want to break me even at all. Yeah, it's 0.7. I need 0.89. Um, all the good signs as of now for short. And that's yesterday. Today is also massive. So, and this was, yeah, it's a volume spring technically, but we have volume in our face, so DTM. Intel, I think it's going down. Don't quote me for this, but on the top of my head. Twenty-fourth. Yeah, so high, so I don't think there is a context for investment trade. Is this volume above us? Yeah. This thing went down like an accident, and that was a two bar up thrust with a. But yeah, bigger volume on tests, I wouldn't be able to do anything anyway. Anyway, um, yeah, now it's like a neutral zone, and even though it's we didn't have to limit our take profit by 0.5, and still trading in neutral zone is not a good idea. Yeah, this thing goes up. And this was a one bar rule, by the way. So yeah, this was a one bar rule, by the way. Last hour of the day, so that's the volume. Mm-hmm. There's no bar level for us. And this volume is a little concerning. Not critically, but still. Yeah, it's the biggest volume. That's a good volume, but yeah, it's the biggest volume. Um, my morning slow internet. I think the answer is yeah. I think the answer is realistically the people getting to work or school. Hmm. And this thing worked yesterday. So very often it does this. It was a break officially. Uh, it was a break officially, but does this and then a drop. Classy. What do we do now? That's it for now. 10, 10. This is too far from 0.5. Now this volume is very much disqualifier for any further short trades. It's not in 0.5 though yet, but yeah, last hour. So even when it comes here, I think it's no good. Yeah, everything is counter trend. Does it all the same manner. Boom. No, it's too high anyway. And it changed direction, so I don't know this one after test, but how is it different from this one? It was also like weak approach, all the same. Just take it like this after test. How's it gonna be different from this guy? That's worked. Yeah. Mm, dun, dun, dun. This didn't. What is this? It's an interesting situation. Maybe it's worth keeping it like this because it was bullish bar, bullish bar, bullish bar. So maybe just worse seeing the whole thing like this. Oh, cool. I don't know what Oracle is doing. XLK just grinds higher. Turn, unvolumed. This volume comes in. Yeah. What's going on here? Very wide from point 0.5. Okay, so this is correction. So it should start, yeah, seeing it long. That worked out. But never mind, it's in correction now, so. Why is it in my list? Oh, for that purpose. So never mind, this level 0.5 is still legit. It's on volume T1 though. And that looks like an upthrust. Looks like short. Husk is there, but it's just like too far below 0.5 and too close to wave level. Only something like super quick and obvious in 5 minutes. One by reversal. Anyone? Not me. Oh my gosh. Oh, the downside of real mouse. Yeah. Just a perfect day. That's funny, but maybe this was a test level. I thought there was someone else. Someone good. Oh, it's just a perfect day. I'm one span of 1 year. Yeah, that the trade I didn't take yesterday. Still not sure if I because it gave me no test. But the volumes feel great and I don't know, considering the general condition of the market and my logbook, maybe it was worth just taking it. There's no test. That's the problem because I don't know if that would be like getting a healthy trading habit or unhealthy trading habit. Well, technically it's this, but I don't think it's gonna hold. Netflix, same deal. It doesn't look good. Yeah. Let's see our gainers, losers. Whoa. No. No. Did Walmart move to Nasdaq or what happened to Walmart? Walmart, Nasdaq. Aha, yeah, they are moving from NYSE to Nasdaq. Thank you, Walmart. Now he'll recharge you again. But not now. I'll wait. But that's why Walmart moved from NYSE to Nasdaq. Is it NYSE? I don't even know how to pronounce NYSE. Let's NYSE pronunciation. NYC. 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 So not NYSE, but NYC. NYC. Okay. Said move from NYC to, oh, look at this guy. But there is no way I could have done something. Or was there? No. It was officially in correction, so yeah. There was a good no, there was like two trade that I missed, but both of them I wouldn't be able to identify properly. I'm working on my tan in case you didn't notice. Is it the balance? I wouldn't say so. That's getting interesting, I think. And I think this volume is it real? It is kind of real. Year is the mass. Is the mass. Yeah, gotta be careful here. And it resumes powerfully. Mm. And it's gonna be counter trend when it comes here, so nothing silly. Yeah. Uber pops. It's resistance level, resistance zone on year, months. Blink. Dun, dun. Yeah. Uh, it's alright day. It's a green day. It's a green day. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't think this is like a legitimate level. Yeah. It reached 0.5 correction, now goes higher. So, yeah. So, I don't think so. Mm, yeah. CVS popped. Oops, we'll have to work on this one day. One day, baby. And that's not it's yeah, it is. Point. Not sure about all this. It's pretty much what we have. This is too far and the whole like look at this massacre. Yeah. It's weakness, that's good. But it's far above point 0.5. This is far above point 0.5. This thing is actually looks like some Russian stock on like it misses liquidity or something. You know what I mean? Look at this volume. What a heck. You should not have such a volume on correction. Look. If it was the biggest volume of this correction, that would be fine, but it's the biggest volume of the entire wave. So it can be like an up thrust of on the trend level. Yeah. Trend level, I mean. Just doesn't make any sense. And as always, inferior time frame shows you beautiful setup. Goes up, exhaustion, up thrust, done, done. Yeah, and volume up thrust, yeah, and volume up thrust, and also it closed above, it changed direction. Yeah, it did. I'm fooling around. I don't like what's going on in here anyway. But since we don't have much, I don't have much more. It's a green day. Hmm. Yeah, that's it. Badush. Badush. Yeah, it's like too close to the D level, so come on. So come on. Come on. And it's a bar level, so it doesn't extend. Yeah, this is too low. Boom. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go start my day. You all trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself. Yeah, see you. Take care.